Hi friends, welcome back to another episode of Hangout with Priyanka. It's a dessert time. I'll be baking one very delicious Oreo chiffon cake along with the Oreo buttercream frosting. This chiffon cake is very unique and very soft comparison to the other normal cakes that we used to bake. But before going to the main video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet and turn on the notification by click the bell icon. So our first ingredient is Oreo biscuits. I have taken one packet of Oreo biscuits. So उसका हम लोग एक मिक्सी में क्रम बनाएंगे. So उसके लिए we have to remove the cream and then in the mixer grinder we'll be making the crumb of Oreo biscuits. Here goes our Oreo crumb is absolutely ready. Next I have taken 3 eggs that I have separated from egg white and this is egg yolk. Fine. So egg white का काम बाद में लगेगा, इससे पहले start करते हैं. Just whisk the egg yolks first, then I'll be adding powdered or icing sugar. Give it a very good mix and you have to mix till it become white in color. So till the time you have to be very careful and mixing it very well. Perfect. After that we'll be adding vanilla essence. Give it a mix. उसके बाद हम लोग ऐड करेंगे milk. This is in room temperature. Again give it a mix. उसके बाद हम लोग ऐड करेंगे Oreo crumb that I have done before. So 2 tablespoons of Oreo crumb I am adding it. Mix. Perfect. Now it's time to sift the dry ingredients, starting it off with maida along with baking powder and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. This is unsweetened cocoa powder. Sift everything together and with the help of whisker mix it very well till it's well combined. ये अच्छी तरीके से मिक्स हो चुका है. Then we'll be adding cooking oil or refined oil. Mix the oil very well and keep aside. Now take the egg white this time and with the help of a electric beater you have to beat till it become very fluffy and like a kind of foam you can say. So you have to beat it very well. Within 5 to 6 minutes you can see the texture will be like this. Then you can add sugar, but ध्यान से इसको gradually sugar add करना है. Do not add sugar at a go. Just add sugar gradually and keep beating the same. It will be needing max to max 5 to 6 minutes again. It's done now. Perfect. Now I'll be mixing it to the batter. Again you have to mix it gradually. Take some portion of that egg white that has been whipped and mix it the batter with very well. Very soft handedly, very generously you have to mix it. Our batter is absolutely ready. Let's prepare the gas oven. So I have put one pressure cooker and putting one stand at the bottom. Now let's preheat it at 15 to 10 minutes in a medium flame. Now this is my cake tin mold. I have put some cooking oil and have put one butter paper or parchment paper. आप बैटर को यहाँ पे pour कर देंगे. This should be flowing consistency. थोड़ा सा टैप कर लेंगे ताकि कोई एयर बबल ना रहे. Now put it in the pressure cooker and bake the same for 25 to 30 minutes approximately.
सो फ्रेंड्स, माई केक इज़ इन दी ओवन। जब तक ये ओवन में है तब तक हम लोग बटर क्रीम फ्रॉस्टिंग बना लेते हैं। बटर क्रीम फ्रॉस्टिंग बनाएंगे, उसके लिए हम लोग को जो बटर लगेगा दैट हैज़ टू बी इन रूम टेम्परेचर। वो सॉफ्टन बटर होना चाहिए, अदरवाइज हम लोग का फ्रॉस्टिंग नहीं होगा। सो आई लेट यू नो द प्रोसेस इज़ वेरी ईजी। सो विल बी नीडिंग द बटर एंड शुगर, दैट इज हैज़ टू बी आइसिंग शुगर. So let's prepare the buttercream frosting, and obviously it's Oreo buttercream frosting.
So I'm adding the butter which is already in room temperature that I have already mentioned just now. Again with an electric beater I have to beat. और ध्यान रखना है जब तक इसका कलर सफ़ेद नहीं हो जाता तब तक you have to beat it. See, the color has become white. Now again you have to add sugar. This is salted butter, normal Amul salted butter that I am using. That is the reason I am adding sugar, so the taste will balance accordingly. Now beat it again for 5 to 6 minutes. And this time you can add any flavor, that I am adding vanilla essence to give it a very good flavor. Beating it for a while. Here goes our buttercream frosting is ready, but इसमें हम लोग Oreo का क्रम यूज़ करेंगे तभी ये बनेगा Oreo buttercream frosting. You can add 1 tablespoon more. That's perfect. Check the consistency. It's not falling from the spatula. Hope our cake is baked. Yeah, it is. इसको निकाल लेते हैं. Removing the butter paper. That's wow. You know the cake is very soft, very moist. Wow. Now इसके ऊपर हम लोग frosting करेंगे. ये frosting जो हम लोगों ने कुछ देर पहले ही बनाया है. This is Oreo buttercream frosting. Apply on top of the cake, and with the help of a spatula or knife, whatever you have, you can smoothing the upper part of the cake like this. Now I'm cutting the cake like this in 8 pieces, and by cutting the cake you can understand that how soft the cake is. This is really very soft and very moist. Perfect. Now you can decorate the cake as per your wish, but as it is Oreo cake, so I am using the Oreo biscuits to decorate the each and every piece of the cake. And showing you a piece for you people. Just see the texture, how good it is looking. Wow. See the texture. I'll cut once and let you know. See? Here goes your Oreo chiffon cake with Oreo buttercream frosting.
So you know this, see, this is so soft, so delicious. This is wow. Do give it a try. Let me know in comment section, and please like my video and share with your friends and family. Again, I'll be coming up soon with such more interesting recipe. Till then, happy cooking and happy baking. This is very soft. আমার নিচে না ক্যামেরাটা মাথা নেমে যাচ্ছে, একটু তোলো, মাথা কেটে হাইটবার ঠিক আছে।